Hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Helbing Kummel.
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about this?
All right. Helbing Hamburg's, some word I can't pronounce in German, Kummel Liqueur. So, but yes, nice big green bottles, nice big 1 liter. Look at this bad boy. $30, very nice. Product of Germany, around since 1836. It is a colorless.
That bottle been around since 1836?
Only the original Caraway seed liqueur, made with caraway seed, cumin, and fennel, and then grain neutral spirits. And it's a longer distillation process than most. Didn't say how long. It's longer than most. Like, that's super helpful. But sure, thanks, guys. It's a close family secret. So it's around almost 200 years. Let's see. They started with 5 employees in 1836, and they were over 400 by the 1900s, making them the largest distillery in Germany as far as production value goes. So that's pretty wild. So pretty cool on their parts. They bought a couple times, 1927, 1974. It's also known as Persian Cumin. Like I said, it's the oldest medicinal plant in Europe. It's far on the north coast of Germany. It's because of the humid maritime climate. So it's usually served neat, either with ice or with a tonic water. It can also make a mule, basil smash. Also very famously combined with beer in Germany. So it's a very interesting thing. So let's see what you guys think of this. It doesn't smell sugary sweet. Will should be happy.
It does not. This is herbal and herbaceous.
It smells like my Crest toothpaste.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
It does. It smells like toothpaste.
It kind of does.
It smells like back in our bathroom right now. It's Crest. Cool mint.
Yeah, it's got caraway, cumin, and fennel. I mean, it smells exactly what they said went into it.
Yeah.
And nothing else. Okay. Sure. See if it tastes.
See if it has that.
See, I'm getting like a basil, like oregano vibe on the nose.
Yeah, now that basil and oregano, like you're saying, on the taste, much more there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's like caraway seed, cumin, and fennel. Yeah, I look for this bottle probably for at least 15 years. Look for some Kummel. It's in Mr. Boston book. I finally found a bottle. I was very excited.
And it's got that mint on it too.
It does. It does have a mintiness to it.
What's the proof on this?
It's the 70.
That's not bad.
70 proof, 35% ABV.
Yeah, it's not bad. Like I said, it's good. I mean, is it like the most exciting you ever had? No, but I mean, it's not sugary sweet. It's just a nice, aperitif or digestif, however you want to use it.
I was going to say, I feel like this would be a good aperitif.
Yeah.
Something to get your stomach actually kind of primed and ready, and to get your palate kind of primed and ready as well.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's definitely different.
I enjoyed this one.
Yeah, I figured you actually would like this one.
Add it to the other list of what, 3?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for real. No sugar in this one, so it's probably
right.
Like it.
Yeah.
Right.
But yeah, it's nice. It's something different. That's what I looked for. Like I said, I think there's only one thing left in that Mr. Boston book I haven't been able to find in the years.
You said fennel, caraway. So essentially, they're almost grains.
Yes. Agreed.
Okay.
Yeah, and then combine it with vodka. So.
Okay.
All right.
That's okay. We found another one.
Woo! We finally found it.
Yay! That's the reason why we do these, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't care what you think. We just want to find one for him.
That's right. Totally.
Just kidding. Totally kidding. All right. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can see what we have on for Will next.
Mm-hmm.
And until next time,
keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Well, success. You found one you like.
Oh, what are we drinking?
Helbing Kummel.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Helbing Kummer. Helbing Kummer.